Welcome to St Fagans National Museum of History. St Fagans is home to historic buildings from all over Wales that have been rebuilt at the museum. One building not moved here though is Llwyn yr Eos Farm. Llwyn yr Eos Farm was built here originally around 1850. Llwyn yr Eos is a working farm with a range of traditional Welsh animals. At Llwyn yr Eos you can see pigs, cows and sheep. Every spring, Llwyn yr Eos fills up with sheep as we prepare for lambing. We have 3 breeds of Welsh sheep at St Fagans: Llanwenog, Hill Radnor and Black Welsh Mountain. This year, we are expecting over 300 lambs at St Fagans. Next time you visit St Fagans, see what animals you can spot around the museum.